Microsoft's AI diagnostic tool just outperformed experienced physicians by 400%, correctly diagnosing 85% of medical cases, while doctors achieved only around 20%. The breakthrough comes from Microsoft's diagnostic orchestrator, which leverages OpenAI's O3 model to analyze complex medical cases. Unlike traditional AI systems that rely on single models, this orchestrator intelligently switches between multiple AI providers, choosing the most accurate model for each specific diagnostic challenge. The system doesn't just provide answers. It asks strategic questions, recommends specific tests, and iteratively improves its accuracy as new information becomes available. This represents a fundamental shift from static diagnosis to dynamic, interactive medical reasoning. Microsoft AI CEO Mustafa Suleyman reveals the scale of demand already exists. 50 million health-related queries flow through Microsoft's Copilot and Bing daily. The company's goal is democratizing high-quality medical advice, making expert-level diagnostic capabilities accessible to everyone at lower costs. The orchestrator's unique transparency allows physicians to trace the AI's reasoning process, seeing which data influenced decisions and how conclusions evolved with additional information. This visibility addresses the critical trust issue in medical AI. Practitioners can audit the system's thinking rather than accepting black box recommendations. The technology doesn't replace physicians, but transforms their role. While AI systems now score 95% accuracy on medical licensing exams, compared to the 60% passing threshold for human doctors, physicians remain essential for treatment planning, clinical judgment, and AI oversight. The partnership model positions doctors as conductors, orchestrating AI capabilities rather than competing against machine intelligence. Suleyman envisions medical superintelligence in your pocket, instant access to expert-level diagnostic reasoning anywhere, anytime. The Microsoft OpenAI partnership, worth nearly $14 billion since 2019, continues despite reported tensions. Suleyman describes ongoing contract negotiations as natural evolution in a complex alliance, dismissing concerns about relationship deterioration. Both companies remain committed to their partnership for at least another 5 years, with Suleyman calling it potentially one of the best technology partnerships in history. The competitive landscape intensifies as tech giants battle for AI talent. Reports suggest Mark Zuckerberg offers $100 million packages to secure top researchers, reflecting the astronomical stakes in AI development. However, Suleyman argues the democratization of AI knowledge through open-source availability will expand the talent pool rapidly, reducing dependence on individual superstars. China's AI capabilities, demonstrated by DeepSeek's recent market impact, command serious attention. Chinese researchers have found creative solutions around computational limitations and potentially benefit from looser data access controls. Suleyman acknowledges China as a very credible AI development team that cannot be underestimated in the global race. The transition of AI companies from non-profit to for-profit structures raises societal risk questions. OpenAI's recent restructuring exemplifies this tension between public benefit and commercial incentives. Suleyman, who co-founded DeepMind and later Inflection AI, emphasizes that leading AI entrepreneurs consistently prioritize public benefit and safety considerations regardless of corporate structure. The focus remains on serving humanity while experimenting with different organizational models. Looking forward, Suleyman predicts the greatest productivity boom in the next 10 years, driven by abundant, cheap intelligence. He frames AI as the ultimate tool-making technology, since intelligence created all previous innovations. Making intelligence itself abundant will accelerate human progress exponentially. The key metric remains whether technology elevates humanity, making people smarter, more productive, and safer. Key takeaways. Microsoft's AI diagnostic orchestrator achieves 85% accuracy versus 20% for experienced physicians by intelligently switching between multiple AI models. The system provides unprecedented transparency, allowing doctors to trace AI reasoning and maintain oversight while democratizing expert medical advice. 50 million daily health queries through Microsoft platforms demonstrate massive existing demand for AI-powered medical guidance. The Microsoft OpenAI partnership remains strong despite reported tensions, with both companies committed for at least 5 more years. China's AI capabilities, exemplified by DeepSeek, represent serious competition requiring constant attention and innovation. The medical AI revolution isn't about replacing doctors. It's about giving every person on Earth access to superintelligent diagnostic capabilities, while empowering physicians to focus on what humans do best: judgment, empathy, and complex treatment decisions.